Okay, so let's come to the question two. Question two use the same data as question one. Still use the weighting. Apply the regression tool. Use the weighting cost as a dependent variable and the attendance as independent variable. Right? It's still a simple regression. One independent variable, one dependent variable. What is the regression model? Interpret all key results. Right? So first, let's go back to the weighting here. This is our weighting data. Let's remove the filter here. So first thing is we want to go to the data and find the data analysis. If you cannot find this panel, you need to go to the File, Options, and the Anywhere button. There's Add-ins. Choose Excel Add-ins. Click on Go. You'll find some options here. Just check the box for Analysis Toolpack. Okay, you'll find here. And if you need, you also can check the solver. If once you check those options, click on OK, then you will see the options here, data analysis. Okay, once you get that, let's click on the data analysis. There are several options here. Right? The one we want for this question is called regression. Find regression, click on OK. For the regression, you need just follow step by step. Input y range. Y range is our dependent variable, which is the weighting cost, and the independent is the attendance. Okay, weighting cost, and x is attendance. If you choose the header, check the labels here. The recommended way is always check the label and select the label because we want to know what are the variables here. And output range, just click into this input, choose any blank place that have enough space to output your results. There are several options here we'll talk about later. But for now, let's just do OK. Right. This is the model. This is a model for the two columns for the weighting cost to the for the attendance to the weighting cost. Yeah. Okay. So if you don't know how to interpret this chart, I would highly recommend you go back to the PPT slides from the lecture, which is page simple regression, page 26, to find these slides to read that again, find what are the meanings for those terms r square, multiple r, adjusted r square, and some basic calculation here. But for here, we won't go through details for the time reason. Okay, and let's go back. So what is the regression model? Here we didn't finish yet. This is the model. However, if you want to use this model, you need to know the intercept and the attendance. This means it's equal to the 130 this number times any attendance. If you give an attendance, right? If you give attendance here plus intercept. Okay. So in this if you put any value here, and you say that it's a new attendance. If you put it here, let's say if you have 100, this one will give you the result of a predicted cost. So this is the model. If you want to write it down, you should say 130 times attendance plus 1,905. Okay, so this is the model. This is the model, and so if the couple is planning for the 175 guests, how much should you put on the budget? So let's do 175 here. So this is the budget right? This is the budget they should go for. Okay, so this is question 2.